Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and today we are doing this makeup tutorial. I know you can't wait to see how I did it, guys, so keep it locked as we go to the video and watch the whole process. It's amazing, guys. I had so much love doing this look, and actually I love it. I love it, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button there. Yes, that is how we do it here. And to the amazing subscribers, I love you all, guys. Keep watching. Yeah, let's keep doing it. So let's get straight to the video and see how we did this amazing look. So guys, before foundation, always moisturize your face. As you can see, my face is kind of glowing because I did a moisturizer, then I did this primer here. I used Divas Cosmetics primer. So always make sure that you moisturize your skin. Yes, that is part of skincare, very important. Then do a primer. This is the primer that I used from Divas Cosmetics. This one gives me a very nice glow. Yes, and it's a very good primer, guys. So let's go straight to the foundation. For the foundation, I'm using a black opal, favorite foundation. This here, this is the stick foundation for black opal. So I'll go ahead and do this. Yeah, I'll spread this all over my face. This is in the shade Nutmeg. Take my brush here, this one here from BLK Cosmetics, tap and tap and tap in that foundation.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
Now the foundation is well blended, guys. I'll go ahead and do the highlight. Guys, it's not a must you use a brush, but sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a beauty blender. Both works perfectly well. For those who feel like the brush didn't blend so well, so this is what you do, guys. But first of all, it has to be damp. Like, put some water and damp it. That's it. For the concealer, I can use a fawn or a beige, and sometimes I mix the two. So let's do the fawn, then we mix with the beige. So this is beige.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of.
So let's blend that, guys. And to blend, I'm using this beauty blender.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
So guys, I'm done with that. As you can see now, it's all flawless. So let's do the contour, guys. So to contour, I'm using black opal in the shade Carob. This Carob is darker than the shade that I used on my foundation. So these are the places that I'll contour. So I'll go ahead and blend that out. I'll use the same brush that I used on my foundation. So I'll go ahead and blend that contour. So you can see the parts that I contoured, guys. This is the darker shade of what I have. So you can see on my forehead, it makes your forehead a bit smaller. Then on the cheekbone, then here, then on my nose.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
So now I'll go ahead and set that, and I'm using a Wet n Wild setting powder. So let's go ahead and set. Always remove the excess. You tap, then you remove the excess.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow?
Guys, I'm going to take my finishing powder, and I'm using Divas Cosmetics here in the shade Honey. Yeah, so I'm going to tap that. And for this area here where I contoured, I'm going to use a darker shade of the powder. And for that, I'll be using this shade here. This LA Girl. It's a darker shade. Tap it in so that my contour stays in place. For the blush, I'm going to use this shade here. This one here, yeah, by Juvias. So instead of a blush, I'm using an eyeshadow from Juvias. This gives a very nice look. You can see, guys. See that? See that? And I love using this tiny brush to do so. I love. So this is another tip, guys. If you're used to one blush, you can always change. You can do pink, you can do maroon. Yeah, it works so well, guys. And you can use an eyeshadow to do so. I've been using this blush here. This one is by Trendy Tap here. So I wanted a lighter blush. So yes, and we did it. We did it, guys. I love. So let's go ahead and highlight. Before the highlights, let's put this makeup together and use a setting spray. So I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix. So let's spray that. For the highlight, I'm going to use the J-Cut highlighter here, and I'm going to do just a little bit of the highlight just here, part of my nose, then on my lips. And yes, let's blend that.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not.
Let's go ahead and do the lips, guys. For the lips, I'm doing Divas Cosmetics Lippies. This one here and this. So I'm going to mix this Spice It Up, and yeah, Spice It Up is kind of maroon shade, and then this nude here called Brandy. So let's mix the two.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So guys, I'm done. As you can see, this is my final look, and I love, guys, I love the finishing of this look. I love it. So guys, what do you think about this look? Let me know there on my comment section. Yes, and I love, guys, I love this look. I love. So guys, see you on the next one. Bye. Love you all.